Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be building the Lego Hidden Side Fuego Stunt Truck. This set comes with 428 pieces, 4 minifigures, and it's 8 and up. So without further ado, let's get building. Okay, let's open up the bags. We got, let's see here, bag number 3. Bag number 1. Wheel. 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 Bag number 2. Instructions. Wheel, stickers, and that's it for the build. Hey guys, I just finished building this awesome set. If you don't know what Hidden Side is actually about, I will show you in an app, but not just yet. I have to first show you this set. So, right here is the ghost dog, whose Max is pet, and Max has a phone, and once he uses his phone on humans, he'll know if they're ghosts or normal humans. And these guys right here are ghosts who possessed motorcycle bike riders. And then in here, in the cockpit of this big monster truck, is Fuego, and there's a big laser cannon that will zap the ghosts, controlled by this little rainbow thing at the back. So once Fuego presses the button, boom, the ghost will evaporate. And at the back of the monster truck, if you pull down this, the monster truck could bounce up and down, just like that. So now I will show you the interactive app. I don't think I have that. Okay, so in this app, you're basically either a ghost hunter or a ghost. And in it, you have to battle ghosts and catch ghosts along the way. But if you're a ghost, you have to try to possess people and get the hunters. So that's basically what you do in the app. But there's a camera setting on the app, so if you allow your iPad or iPhone to use the camera, you could film it at one of your sets and pick which set you have, and it'll be like your set's right there that you just finished building, and then the ghost will be right there to see you and attack you. Or you could be a ghost on your set. So that's all there is for this awesome Lego Hidden Side build. I hope you enjoyed this awesome video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell to never miss another upload. So without further ado, bye. This set comes with 428 minifigures.